This Venn diagram is about the following Venn diagram has been drawn with the information that was noted down on languages that a group of tourists who visited Syria could speak. It includes English, French, and German. How many can speak English? So, how many can speak English? So, that's our first question. There is no any restrictions. How many can speak English? So how many numbers inside the English circle? That would be the consideration. How many numbers? 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. It would be 14. Simply we can write the answer. How many of them can speak English? And second one, if 12 people in total can speak German, how many can speak French and German only? 12 people can speak German. That means the total value for the German circle is 12. I will write that here. Total 12 people can speak German. So that means this is the entire circle. No, one was left as blank. So you have to identify what is the number which belongs to this empty space. Let's find it out. 3 plus 2, it's 5 plus 2, 7. Entirely the population who are speaking German is 12. Already 7 was occupied. So remaining would be 5. How I know the total. From the total I subtracted the existing value to find the value here. And the question was how many can speak French and German only? French and German. That means French circle and German circle. So this would be the intersection. Here also we have two regions. These 3 and 5. Question asks French and German only. When you think about these 3, which includes English also, no? The people who can speak French, German, and English, all 3 languages, but in the condition they asked only French and German. French and German. So, what would be the feasible region? That is not 3. Okay. This is indicating who can speak French and German. But here English also included. We can't take 5 into account. Only correct answer for the second part question would be 5. Only French and German speaking population. And now let's move to the third question. Describe in words the set represented by the shaded region. That's also simple. Same as before. So what it says, the people who can speak French and English only. Okay. The population who can speak not French and English. Only French and English. So when you consider French and English, this lens region. But 3 is not shaded, no, only 4 is shaded. So this is the way we have to write the answer. The people who can speak English and French only. Only English and French. Definitely you should include this restriction. If you define it as the people who can speak English and French, the people who can speak German also included in our account. No. So we can't take this 3. We have to consider about this only. So that restriction should be included in your answer. That's recommended. No, that's mandatory in the question. So let's move to the fourth question. All those who could speak English stayed on with the guide who provided commentaries in English, while rest were sent with guide who was fluent in both French and German. How many went with the guide? So I'll read once more. All those who speak English stayed on with the guide who provide commentaries in English. So the people only could understand English remain with the English guide. Other people are going with a guide who is fluent in both German and French. So, except this English circle, they are static. No, they sat in a place. Remaining people went with next guide. So, what is the remaining population? 10, 5, and 2. So, altogether it would be 17. Question was, rest were sent with a guide who was fluent in both French and German. How many went with this guide? So it would be 17 except English, others 17. That's all about this question.